Hello there, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zaraartibeauty. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I'm super excited to be back here, and in this video I'll be showing you how to achieve this flawless detailed eyebrows for just 100 naira. Yes, you heard me right, 100 naira, which is equivalent to 40 cents, I think. Yeah, so let's get right into the video. So before we start, let's go ahead and sanitize our hands. You all know what's going on right now in the world. We have to wash your hands, sanitize your hands, avoid touching your nose, your face, and stay indoors. Starting with our brows, this is called a spoolie or wand, whichever that you like to call it. We're going to start with brushing up our eyebrows first. Before we draw our brows, I'm going to show you how you measure your brows, like from the starting point to the end point to where your arc is supposed to be. It's somehow like mathematics, but not really mathematics. Measurements is mathematics, right? Yeah, but this is how you measure your eyebrows. First, you pick up either use your spoolie, your wand, or you use the eye pencil. And for the eye pencil, I'm using the Dave's eye pencil. This goes for 100 naira. I think it is equivalent to 40 cents. I think so. So this is how you measure your brows. To know the point where your brow is supposed to begin, you place your pencil at the bridge of your nose, this point of your nose here. You place your pencil there, this point of my nose, and just faintly bringing it down. This point is where my brow is supposed to start from. Then to know the point where my brow is going to end, I place my pencil like this. Make sure it's meeting the tip of your nose here, the end part of your brow. So this is how it's supposed to be, like this. So taking it out, so you see that point? This is the point where my brow is supposed to stop. To know where my arc is supposed to be, I'm going to be looking forward. Then you look forward where your pupil stops. That's where your arc is going to be. So now that I've measured my brows, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to connect these dots together, like connect the lines and make sure they meet. Go in, meet to this other line, as you can see, then bring it down to this other line. To connect the up part, I don't like starting from the beginning point of my brow. I like to take it I like to take it in a little bit, start from here, because this part I like it to be somehow faint. Then going from here, join the brows, then bring it down. No, this is where you bring it down from the arc. So this is like my arc. Bring it down, starting my brows, connect it here, bring it down, and the same thing, start from this point, then bring it down here. Now we've gotten the measurements on how you can draw your brows. The next thing is that I go in to start filling the sparse areas, the areas where I don't have much hair. I just go in and I start filling them up. Just light strokes. Make sure the grip you have on your pencil is very light. Light strokes. I forgot to add, before you draw your brows, make sure your brows are trimmed. or waxed. Just shapen your brows to give it a very defined shape. To clean up your brows, make sure you're using a brush as flat as this. You see how this is so flat? I don't know where I got it from. I've totally forgot it. I'm using these 3 shades of concealer. This is a shade darker than my skin color. This is a shade lighter than my skin color. And this is my skin color. So I'll be showing you how I use that on my brows. I like to start cleaning off from my arc area. So I'm using the shade that is a shade lighter than my skin color for my arc area. Then going in with this shade that is my skin tone for the outer part of my brow. Going in with this concealer that is a shade darker than my actual skin tone for the front part of my brow. Then to clean up the top of my brow, I'll also be using this shade that is my skin color. You can use your foundation if you choose to, but I like to use this concealer. Just dust out clean off the concealer, and I like to take the little excess from it and just dab at the beginning part of my brow, to make it look more natural. And you brush it out like this, brush it up, and this is what the left brow is looking like. Let's go into the right brows. I also like to set my brows, just tap on it so that it doesn't move. This part is optional if you want to, but I like to do it because I noticed when I started doing it, my brows don't move. You know how you go out and then by the time you've tried to fix your hair, a part of your brows are cleaned off already. That's like a very big pet peeve for me. So I like to just use this setting powder and just set my brows. And just brush it up. And this is basically how you can achieve a flawless, detailed eyebrow look. And this is the finished look of our detailed eyebrow, which cost 100 Naira. Yes, 100 Naira, and is equivalent to 40 cents. So if this video was helpful, please leave me a comment down below and leave me a thumbs up, like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit that tiny bell beside it to get your notification bell turned on for my next upload. Stay safe, wash your hands, sanitize, and I will see you in my next video.